As we begin our practice today, take a moment to check in with yourself. Check in with your breath, your body, your heart. How are you feeling? Check in and see where you may be holding onto tension in this very moment. Bring your awareness to this part of your body, or perhaps your heart, or your mind, and then consciously breathe this tension out. Breathe it out. Close your eyes. Let yourself become heavier, more relaxed, feeling yourself supported, held by the ground, by the earth. Let go. Breathe in and breathe it out. Thank yourself for showing up for your well-being today. And if you're joining me as part of the Boho Beautiful 14-day mindfulness journey, welcome to day 9. It's time to give yourself permission to be still, to be present, to become one with your breath. In and out. Feeling your face, letting go of any physical tension. Let it relax. Let your eyes be heavy, your jaw super loose. Let your shoulders drop towards the earth. And let your heart open up to the presence of love and peace all around you. Breathe in and let it go. Feel the stillness, the presence of your being. In a world that is filled with so much darkness, may you be the shining light of hope, the light of peace, of love, of truth and compassion. May you find your strength and power from within, and let it shine your way. It is time to go beyond the pains and wounds of this world and return to the infinite power that lives within you. Return to your inner peace, to the light of your soul's essence. So take a deep breath in. Breathe into your center. Feel it now. Feel the light. Feel it with every cell of your body. This is the true core of your being. Reconnect with that divine light within you. And never forget that you are sacred, that you are divine, that you are love and you are light. So breathe in and breathe out. Allow yourself to sit still in this beautiful present awareness of love. Visualize it. See this light entering your being, healing every part of you that is in need of healing in this very moment. Breathe it in and breathe it out. Open yourself to love and allow this beautiful light to guide you forward. Stay in the stillness this presence. Stay with the awareness of your breath, your heart, guiding this beautiful energy to heal you, to protect you, and to guide you forward through this life. Stay here. Feel your breath, your heart. And if you begin to feel your mind become distracted by thoughts, use the following mantra to help you return to yourself whenever you need to. I am love. I am light. I am love. I am light. And now, silently in your mind, as you let go and go within. Breathe it in. Let it go. It's time to release the mantra, beginning to slowly return to yourself, to your breath, to your body, to your heart. Bring gratitude to your heart for this opportunity to reconnect and be guided by your divine inner light. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel free to stay here as long as you need, opening your eyes gently and slowly whenever you are ready to finish this meditation. Thank you so much for joining me today. From my heart to yours, with all my love and gratitude, Namaste. This guided meditation is part of the Boho Beautiful free meditation and yoga program. To sign up for free and receive the entire 2-week program of 28 videos at absolutely no cost to you, go to bohobeautiful.life/free yoga. Thank you again for being here with me today. I'm sending you all my love and all my light. Namaste.